Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you, and this is a guest design team for Linedotarrow, and I will put the link to Natalie's shop below and you can go and take a peek. I used two kits from her shop. One is called Gilded Tapestry and the other one is Regal Birds. Please excuse my voice, I've had a little bit of a cold. Not COVID, just a cold. So yeah. So I decided to make, I wanted to, because I've got a big reel of this. When I say reel, it's about that, and there's loads of it, and I really like it, and because it's all like, kind of looks, you know, the textiles is really nice on it, so I wanted to use that, so I done a mini. So this actually measures 5.5 by 3 3/4. It has a 2 1/4 inch spine, 3 signatures, as you can see. And it has a total of 132 pages front and back. I would have had this finished on Wednesday, but as I said, I have been a little bit poorly, so better late than never. So this will be listed in my shop if you're interested. So like you've seen, that is the cover. We've got some fabric on here as well. This is one of the toppers. Well, I think it kind of looks like a topper for the cover, so that's what I used it for. This little plate here is actually from ARTYmaze, so I've put that on there, and there's cheesecloth. We've got, it's all been stitched. Eyelets string as a closure, and as you can see, it's a little chunky one. I love these little journals. They're just really nice to hold in your hands. So the inside cover is gessoed. It's actually a box of some sort, like a cereal box, or you know, a food box of some sort. All been I layered it with book pages, then I gessoed it, and then I sprayed it with reds and golds and blues, because there's red and gold and little shimmery bits of gold through this as well. So obviously the kit comes in a full size, but obviously I shrunk it down to 2 to a page to make this journal. And this is the front page. Here I've used one of the pages to make pockets, and there's quite a lot of pockets throughout as well. I've just put a little oval label on there, just making sure I'm in frame. Yes, I am. There's a tag from the kit. Got all these lovely birds. Another one there. Little envelope, and of course I've shrunk them down. Inside there we just have, I've used coffee dyed index cards and inked up around them, and just made little journaling cards out of them. So isn't that pretty with a butterfly on there? This is the old design shop. These are some little circles from the kit, and I just used them as tabs. Here I've just done some stamped tags, and this was actually some coffee and sprayed cardstock, and I just punched some tabs with them. Made these tabs just like some of the long strips of card that I got, so I thought I would mess around. Excuse me. Crocheted trim. These are actually envelopes, and I just made them into pockets. Oops, I just pulled out all the tags from goodness knows where now. Let me see. From here. So you can go back in there. Okay, so like I said, that was an envelope. Another tag from the kit. I think that, is that double opened? It might be double opened at the back. Another page from the kit. Here I actually used some of Natalie's other kit. I'm just trying to find it. There we go, and I'll tell you the name of that. It's the collage tear papers. So I used, you get these little lovely children images, so I just made some tags with them, and again using some of the pockets, some of the pages to make pockets. These are ARTYmaze's definition labels. Again, this is from the collage tear papers, and I made some tags with that as well. Little tag here. Then we just have some index tags that I made with some crocheted trim. Some ledger, you can write on that. There's lots of journal spaces. Another page from the kit, which is the main kit. I think that might, like I said, there's now 3 kits I've used in this. Just trying to remember the name. think that one might have been the Gilded tapestry. I can't remember now, but I will name them again at the end. So like I said, lots of journal space. Made some pockets with the pages as well, and then made some tags from the collage tear pages. Another page from the kit, lots of journal room. Here we have a little flip. Used the little full stamps as little tabs. Excuse me. Another index card tag. Say that quick. Little pocket that you get from the kit. This is from the collage tear pages. That is from the other two kits. Second signature. I'm way ahead of myself here. Another corner tuck here. Another tag. I think that's from the collage tear page. This is from either the Gilded Tapestry or the Regal Birds. Little envelope and a little piece of index card in there. That's the old design shop, so is that another one of them tabs that I made. Little belly band there with a ledger piece in there. That's from the kit. Another page from the kit, another little pocket from the kit. That's from the collage tear pages, and that is either, I think that might be the Regal Birds. I'll write the name of the kits below, as well as the link to the shop. A little lined tag, that's the index card. Another little tag just paper clipped onto this ledger. Another tag there, coffee dyed, stamped, and that's the coffee dyed and sprayed cardstock. Crocheted trim, which has glued itself to another pocket. Another page from the kit, centre of the signature. Another pocket I made from one of the pages, and another tag there from I think that's the collage tear pages. Works well anyway. That's another page there. Lots of journal room. And another little pocket from the kit. Another tag of the birdies on there. And a little doggy. So yeah, if you haven't gone over and had a peek at Natalie's Etsy, then go and have a peek. And she does some fantastic videos on her channel. I will link her channel as well, her YouTube channel, because she does nice, lovely step-by-step videos, which, you know, we all love them videos, don't we? Gives us inspiration. Another tag there. Little envelope, which is that away. Shrunk them down as well. That goes in there. Third signature. Little pocket there. Two tags. Another little tag on there. Another tag here, just paper clipped on. Crocheted trim. Another page from the kit. Made that pocket from one of the pages from the kit, and a tag from the kit, and that's from the tear sheets, the collage tear sheets, tear pages. Another little tag just paper clipped on, and that's paper clipped on as well. Some ledger, it's printable ledger. Another one of them tabs that I made. A centre of the signature, another belly band with some kind of looks like graph paper, so that goes in there. So as all my journals, there's always plenty places to journal, because that's the point. Another tag, and that's, again, that was, oh, there's a little fly, go away. That was an envelope, and I made it into a pocket. This is like a file folder. and it's just been coffee dyed, and put it in, no, we'll put it back the way it came. Start messing with things now, Yvonne. Another tag that's stamped, and the tab there, little flip, that's one of the little faux stamps from the kit, and another index card tag with some crocheted trim, and then we have another little tag there, and another corner pocket with some tags, little envelope. It's got the birdie on there. I think that might be from the Gilded tapestry, and this is from the Regal birds. Yeah, I got it right on the last page. And that's just got some index card in there. And that is the back. So that is the journal. As you can see, it is a little chunky one. I do love that fabric. I don't know what I'm going to do when I run out. So there we go. I will link everything below. Check out the links below. This will be for sale on my shop if you're interested. If you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.